All the photos you are seeing right now were taken with the DJI Action camera. Yes, a DJI Action, and no, not the newest Action 6, but the previous generation, the DJI Action 5 Pro. And if you think macro photography is impossible on the Action camera, keep watching, because I'll show you how to achieve this macro photos results by upgrading your camera for just $25. We all know that macro shots are not what an action cameras are designed for. And the reason is simple. For real macro photography, a camera needs to be able to focus very close to the subject. Action cameras, including DJI action cameras, using ultra-wide lenses with almost indefinite focus, which means there is a minimum focusing distance you cannot go below. When you move closer, the image simply stops getting sharper. By default, you just can't get close enough to small objects to capture true macro detail. But luckily, there is a workaround, and it's much easier than you might think. The solution is using a macro lens. In my case, I'm using a Neewer macro lens that is compatible with the DJI Action 5 Pro, DJI Action 4, and DJI Nano. This lens costs around $25 to $30, and as you can see from these shots, the results are genuinely impressive. The level of detail you can capture is fantastic. Fine textures, tiny structures, and surface detail suddenly become visible. In some situations, I'm honestly not sure a smartphone macro camera would be able to capture this level of clarity without heavy processing or additional lighting. This particular macro lens from Neewer is not a snap-on lens like some other options. Instead, it replaces the standard lens protector on the camera. You simply unscrew the original protector and screw this macro lens in its place. The lens itself is very small and lightweight, which fits perfectly with the action camera concept. It doesn't have bezels, it doesn't have a focus ring like the newest macro lens designed for the Action 6. Everything here is fixed, simple, and straightforward. And the best part is that you don't need to change any camera settings at all. You attach the lens and start shooting immediately. This macro lens is a great fit for creators and photography enthusiasts who enjoy capturing close-up shots of flowers, insects, leaves, rocks, coins, and many other small objects you usually overlook. It encourages you to slow down and explore details you would normally miss. You can also use it for video, and shooting macro footage in slow motion opens up some really creative possibilities, especially when filming insects or small movements happening right in front of the lens. Now, it's also important to mention that this year we have seen the release of new macro lens designed specifically for cameras like the DJI Action 6 and Insta360 Ace Pro 2. These latest macro lenses are more advanced. They allow you to achieve a macro look and selective focus effect even when the camera is not placed extremely close to the subject. So we can also regulate the focus distance on the lenses, which gives you more creative control and flexibility when composing shots. However, all of that comes at a price. These lenses are almost 5 times more expensive than this Neewer macro lens. They are great tools, but they are clearly aimed at a different budget and workflow. In contrast, the macro lens I'm using here is a fixed macro lens. There is no focus adjustment and no complexity. It's very simple to use, very affordable, and despite its simplicity, the image quality is genuinely good. For most creators, especially those just starting with macro photography on action cameras, this kind of lens makes a lot more sense. And if you've been following my channel, you might remember that in one of my previous episodes, I reviewed an amazing filters and lenses set from Neewer. It also fits for the DJI Action 4, 5 Pro, and DJI Nano. That set includes also the ultra-wide boost lens, a CPL filter, a variable ND filter, and mist filter. It was a very complete kit, and the only thing missing was a macro lens. And thankfully, Neewer offers this macro lens separately, and for a very compelling price for around $25. It perfectly completes the setup. Just one more thing I would strongly recommend when using a macro lens with an action camera is a photography grip. When shooting macro, even the smallest movement can ruin sharpness. Depth of field is extremely shallow at close distances, so the stability becomes critical. A grip gives you much better control, especially with gently pressing the shutter button, and helps avoid unwanted jitters. Now, just take another look at the clarity and the level of detail you can get from the DJI Action 5 Pro paired with this macro lens. It really shows how much potential this compact camera still have when you use the right accessories. For a very small investment, you unlock a completely new way of shooting. I hope this episode was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review in a few days. Happy holidays! Cheers! Bye.